Our Hiligaynon word for the day is yuhum, which means to smile or to laugh pleasantly. Yuhum. Nagyuhum siya sang pagkabati niya sang amo nga kahalamutan. He or she smiled when he or she heard that pleasant story. Nagyuhum siya sang pagkabati niya sang amo nga kahalamutan. Ginyuhuman niya ako. He or she smiled at me. Ginyuhuman niya ako. Yuhumi ang bata. Smile at the baby. Yuhumi ang bata. And that is all about our Hiligaynon word for the day, yuhum, which means to smile or to laugh pleasantly. Yuhum. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.